mafia.
మాన్యతకి మీరు సారీస్ పెట్టి తన కోపాన్ని తగ్గించి మామూలుగా చేస్తానంటేనే
Got the close up triple fresh formula. Eucalyptus oil by tea extract.
Good afternoon, all the students. Yesterday we already completed Hund's rule. What is the Hund's rules? So many are not attended yesterday. What is the Hund's rule? Yes, when there is a one electron is already filled with the degeneracy orbitals, afterwards only pairing is a possible. That is only called what? Hund's rule. Clear or not, all the students? Yes, yesterday we already discussed it about the Hund's rule. Now we are going to discuss about the remaining concept in this particular topic. What is the conceptual sheets and practice sheets are there. Yes, next concept is the Hund's rules. Already yesterday we are completed. Once again I repeated the same concept. Yesterday so many are absent here. What is the Hund's rule? Here, when the electron is paired with the one electron in every degeneracy orbital. What is the meaning of degeneracy orbitals? The 1s orbital. It is a contain one energy, which are contain same energy. That is only called what? Degeneracy orbitals. This is the 1s orbital. Okay, and suppose the 2s, it is a contain one energy only. You know very well. Depending on the n plus l value, the energy may decide. Okay, clear or not also? Depending on the n plus l value only, we decided the energy of the orbit according to above principle, which are contain low n plus l value, that is called the low energy level. Which are contain high n plus l value, that is called high energy level. Got it? Here, there is the n plus l value low for a 1s orbital compared with the 2s orbital. But when we go for a p orbital, the p orbital again dividing into 3 orbitals like px, py, pj. These all are contain same energy only. The all orbitals are contain the same energies only. Okay, now they are not changes their energies. Yes, and again when we go for a 3s here, 2p and 3s, it is a contain high energy. Then these two. Got it? Again, it is a contain high energy as compared with the 2p. In this way, we are about energies we are considered, but these 2p is a called that whatever 2px, 2py, 2pj. This is the called degeneracy orbit. Yes, in this degeneracy, every degenerate orbital filled by one electron. Then after only pairing is possible. Okay, yes, example is suppose you know very well how the electrons are distributed for first 10 elements. Once I want to discuss with you first 10 elements. Suppose you take a first element, hydrogen. Okay, now hydrogen in the orbital, electrons are contained in this oneness. Okay, clear or not? Yes, and when you go for a helium, electrons are in the orbital oneness. There is 2 electrons are there. That's why they are filled in this way. Okay, and when you come to here, lithium, it is contain 3 electrons in this 1s orbital. 2 electrons are there. In 2s orbital, there is one more electron is there. Got it? And when you come to here, beryllium, 4th element, there is a 2 1s electrons and as well as the 2s electrons. There is a totally how many? 4 electrons are there. The 4 electrons are like this. Okay, and the next one is the boron. In the boron, 1s electron, 1s orbital, it is a contain 2 electrons only. Like this. In the 2s again contain 2 electrons like this, and the 2p it is a contains about 1 electron in the 2p. Got it? It is again contain 2p electrons are like that. Yes, and next come to here carbon. Okay, now 1s electron like this it is, and then after there is a 2 electrons are in a 2s. The 6 electrons in a carbon distributed like that. Yes. There is 2px, 2py, 2pz. These electrons are like this. Okay. And the next, after this, there is we are taken a what here? We are taking here nitrogen. Okay, now the nitrogen contain yes 1s electrons and other are the 2s electrons like this. Now 2p electrons are filled like 2p. Got it? Yeah. Now there is oxygen. Yeah. Now there is the oxygen is the contain like this arrangement. Okay, all the students, first you note down these all the things. There is a very important. This is a clockwise direction. This is the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, now yes, when the electrons are filled with the at last one electron every enters the orbital, afterwards only pairing is possible. When you take the 2p orbital, the 2p orbital filled by the one electron like this, then after there it will be what? It will be pairing is possible in oxygen only. The pairing is possible here. Got it? Yes. First you write in this particular picture. Okay, now yes, whatever the things are there, first note down. Completed? Please note down it. Yeah. Otherwise, you capture this picture. Yeah. You take this is one of the picture. Please take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of it. And take one more screenshot also. This is a Euler diagram. Yeah, take a screenshot. It is your screenshot. is about our Hund's rule, and there is a once consider there is a two elements, especially it will be get a clear idea for us. Nitrogen and as well as the oxygen. There is a two elements. These two elements only consider now. Nitrogen and as well as the oxygen. Yes, there is a nitrogen we are taken here, and as well as oxygen we are taken here. The nitrogen means what? There is orbitals are contained. One is here, two electrons are there. Here is one s, and as well as there is a 2s. It is also contain two electrons. And now there is we are taken a what? Degenerate orbital 2p. It is also contain a what? Electrons are like that. Totally 7 electrons are filled in this format. Na? Yes, there is a 4 are in a 1s, 4 are 2 are in a 2 are in a 1s, 2 are in a 2s, and 3 electrons in a 2p orbital. Okay, now these are called degenerate 2px, 2py, 2pj. Why? Because n plus n value is the same for this or not? Yes, why? Because same. What is n plus n value here? 2 and plus 1. That is a 3 n plus n value. Here also 3 only. Here also 3 only. Here also 3 only. That's why these called degenerate orbitals. Okay, now this degenerate orbital, every orbital now filled with the what? At last one electron, one electron, one electron. Got it? Then after only pairing is a possible. Then after only pairing is a possible. Yes, how? There are oxygen. You take oxygen. What is atomic number of oxygen? 8. Now, there it is what? Electrons are filled in this particular form. Okay, now yes, 2px, 2py, 2pz. Got it? There is a what? Every electron filled with a one electron. Then after the pairing is a possible here, na? Up to that there is no pairing. Okay, there is not a paired here. Okay, clear or not? Yes, there is a pairing is a possible. We not write like that. 2p means what? First we write 2, and then we not like this. There is it will be make a blank. It is a wrong. It is a wrong. Okay, you should compulsory take every electron filled by the one orbital. Okay, then after we taken a pair here. Got it? This is only called Hund's rule. Yes, the Hund's rule is a gives how the electron is distributed in orbitals when there is the same interest value is there also. Okay, now in that one degeneracy things are there. Yes, suppose when you take a d orbital, it is a contain 5 degenerate orbitals. How many are there? 5 degenerates are there. One is the dxy, another one is the dyx, another one is the dzx. Okay, clear or not all this? Another one is the dx square minus y square. Next, last one is the dz square. These are the 5 orbitals are there. These 5 orbitals are called degenerate orbitals. So, the next lesson we have clearly about the orbitals. Okay, these are the 3 rules about electron configuration purpose. Yeah. Now we are going to discuss about the whatever the practice sheet is there. That is only there is practice sheet. Now we'll go with the practice sheet. There is a page number 18. Once go to the page number 18. Yeah, conceptual questions are there. First question, conceptual questions are there. If the electronic structure of the oxygen is written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, it would be void. Which rule? Okay, clear or not? The electronic configuration of the oxygen atom written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. It would be void. No, there is none of these. Everything will be correct only. Okay, now no void. Correlation, Hund's principle, exclusive principle, everything will be correct only. Why? Because you know 1 is 2 already written, 2 is 2, 2p4. Here we like this, we write like this now. There is no issue. Yes, 2p4 nothing but we have 2 electrons in this. Okay, now 4 here, it is a 2p, and 2 is here, 2 here, 1 is here, 2 here, 2, 2, 2, 4. Then no is a problem. Next, come to the second question. According to the Pauli exclusive principle, the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in a orbital. The maximum number of electrons accommodated in an orbital is single orbital is 2. Okay, now it is our 2 only. Either you take 1s orbital, or you take a 2s orbital, or you take a 2px orbital, 2py, 2pz. Individually, every orbital is a contain how many? 2 electrons only. More than the 2, it is not possible to occupy in a 1 orbital. Okay, that is answer is 2. The answer is A. This is the A, and the first answer is B. Yes, next third one. The filling of degenerate orbitals by electron is governed by which rule? Okay, now that is only today's we discussed. Filling of electron in a degeneracy orbitals. Is it what? Hund's rule. Hund's rule. This is only now we discussed. Hund's rule it is. Fourth question answer. Which sublevel has the lowest energy in the following? Yeah, very important question. I like these questions. They given what? For a fourth question purpose, they given 5D, they given. Okay, and as well as they given 3P, they given 4S, they given 4D. In this one, which one is a contain lowest energy? Means what? Low n plus n value which are contained, that is only contain low energy. Okay, now yes, what is the n plus n value for 5D? Yeah, you know very well 5 plus. What is the D for L? Okay, now d orbital L value is how much? It is, yeah, it is a 2. Now total n plus n value is a 7. Now 3 plus 1, it is a 4. Next 4 plus 0, it is a 4. Next it is a 3D. Okay, now 3D means what? 4 plus, okay, now 2, it is 6. There is no doubt about these two things, but only there is a 2 n plus L values are saved. When there is a 2 n plus L value are saved, which are contain low n value, that is only treated we are as the lowest energy. That's why 3p orbital is the lowest energy level. Okay, now this is only the answer. Now answer is fourth one answer is B. Fourth answer is B. Okay, if you want to need this explanation, you write down. Next, after this we have, there is a fifth question. Fifth one. If ms is equal to minus r, the spin of the electron in an orbital is considered as, yes, it is a counterclockwise. Okay, clear or not? Yes, s is equal to minus r, it is a anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. That is only called a counterclock also. The fifth one answer is yes, C. Fifth answer is C. Please note down these all answers. First one is a D. Yes, second one is a A. Third one is the A. Fourth one is the B. The explanation of that one it is this, and the fifth one is also C. Next, after this, sixth question. How many total electrons can the F orbital in a sub-level hold? Okay, clear or not, all the students? How many total electron can the F orbital in a sub-level hold? Okay, now in a F orbital, totally sub-levels are how many there? 7 it will be there. How many is there? 7 it is there. It is equal to 2 into L plus 1. Okay, now for f orbital, L value is how much? 3. 2 into 3 plus 1. It become 7. There is a 7 sub-energy levels are there. Okay, they are contain 7 orbitals. Every orbital contain how many? 14 electrons are there. Every orbital 2 electrons. Totally how many? 14 electrons are there. Then answer of the sixth one it is. Yes, answer of sixth one is B. Which rules? Seventh one. Which rules does this orbital diagram violates? Okay, they given a different orbital diagrams, and which rule it is a violating? Which rule it is a violating? Yes, what is the rules are there? Yes, especially there is this is the one thing it is a given. This is a another thing. 1s. This is 2s. This is 2p. Yes, it is a correct one. Okay, now they given like this. It is the correct one. A and the B is a given. Yes. And the next one it is. B is about the given. Yeah. Like that they given. There is a gap in the two. Yeah, already we discussed now. Okay, now that is only Hund's principle. Why? Because every degenerate orbital filled with the at last one electron, then after only what is the possibility is there, then after only pairing is a possibility is there. That's why it is a correct, it is a not a correct thing. That is a violate which principle? Hund's principle. It is a which principle? Hund's principle. That is seventh one. Answer is C. Seventh answer is C. Yeah, next. After this, eighth question. According to, yes, the orbital of energy each occupied by one electron before a second electron is placed in any atom, any of them, and the electron singly occupied the orbital have the same spin. Okay, clear or not? Yes, they given what actually n is equal to 2 and as well as this is a which one? According to Ohm's rule, actually, orbital of equal energies occupied by the one electron, then after only pairing is possible. Yes, there is a eighth question answer is taken as what it is, a Ohm's rule. Okay, the answer is C for our eighth question. Ninth. Which rule is broken by the following electron configuration? All the students, which rule is broken by the following electron configuration? Yes, what is that? Yes, the given what electronic configuration as like this. 1s, next 2s, the 2p, they are given 2p, and then after the given what actually the 3s. 3s, there is a given only single electron. In this direction, the given single electron, and then after the given what in this 3p, they given 2 electrons. Yes, once check it, in the 3s orbital only one electron is there, but it is not filled by the 2 electron. The electron is not enter into 3p orbital. Okay, clear or not on the student? It is the lowest energy level. It should be filled the total electrons. How many is required? That much of required electrons are filled in this. Then after only electron enter into the next n plus L value. There is a 3p the n plus L value how much? There it is a 4. For a 3s n plus L value 3. But electron not totally filled. There is how many electrons are required? 2 electrons required to complete the rule. That is the 3s. Okay, the 3s should be contain 2 electrons. That is why there is no electrons are available in this. Okay, now yes, 2 electrons are not filled here, but available number of electrons are there here. If it is not there, single thing only. But available is there, but it is not filled by the 2 electrons. That's why which one it is? Hund's rule again. Okay, now it is the ninth concept is also Hund's rule only. Okay, now these are the questions are there. One more question, 10th question. Answer of 10th question. Which rule is broken by the electron configuration? Which rule broken by the electron configuration? What the configuration it is broken in the given thing? There is a one clockwise, anti-clockwise. That is only in a 2s. There is a electrons filled properly only. Electrons are filled properly only. But there is a what happened in this particular 10th question. Once check it here. There is a 2 electrons are there here. These 2 electrons in a clock direction, anti-clock directions only. It is impossible. Should be compulsory. One is a clock, another one is a anti-clockwise. That is called a Pauli exclusive principle. They given what? The Pauli exclusive principle. The 10th question is Pauli exclusive principle. 10th answer is C. Sorry, B. B. Pauli exclusive principle. What is the Pauli exclusive principle? Every orbital should be contained. One is a clock, another one is anti-clockwise direction. Okay, this is only about the our concept of no 2 electrons are contained same 4 quantum numbers. That is the Pauli exclusive principle. It is violated here. Okay, now these 2 electrons are contained same 4 quantum numbers. Why? Because n value is a 2 only, s value is 0, m value is the same. Yes, and as well as the whatever the L value is the same, S value is also same. Minus of. It is not possible. All 4 quantum numbers are not same for any 2 electrons. Okay, this is only about total our concept of this conceptual questions, and tomorrow we'll go with the remaining concepts. Whatever the IIT main practice sheet it is there. Okay, now that will be go for tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Once you try your level best, very easy. When you understand these three rules, electronic configuration is also easy, and as well as there is a technically the questions are come from this particular three rules only. Hund's rules, above principle, and Pauli exclusion principle. N plus L value, 4 quantum numbers are not same. Pairing is a possible after degeneration. This is only about the things. Thank you. Bye. Take care.